even while the weather is a little milder in the metro. It's snowing to the north and west of Louisville. WLKY's Lexi Sheen is in Seymour, Indiana. She joins us live with what is happening there. And obviously, it is beginning to look a lot like winter out there.
Yeah, that's right, Monica. We just missed that white Christmas by a day, up here in Seymour, Indiana. And really, it's the wind that's getting to me. I know Matt was talking about the blizzard warnings for this area and saying that really the blizzard means that the wind is just going to be blowing things around. And believe me, it is milder in the metro, but it feels like winter up here. I'm going to give you a look at what you can see on the roadways behind me. You can't even see our tire tracks from when we pulled in this parking lot at about 5:30, 5:45 this morning. Snow-covered roadways, that is for sure. Cars are moving slowly down these side streets here in Seymour, Indiana. We have seen the plows coming through, the salt trucks, all of the above getting in to kind of make preparations for these conditions out here. But again, the wind is really what's kicking this morning. I can hardly even look up into the camera because it's kicking so much. But if you don't have to hit the roadways this morning, definitely best to stay off of them. Obviously, the kids on break, so get outside, make a snowman. My snowman really didn't come along very well. I'm still going to get to that one, I think, Monica. But for now, from Seymour, I'm going to send it back to you.
All right, Lexi, stay at it. It's, the team's depending on you to make that first snowman of the season, so don't give up, okay?
Okay.
All right, WLKY's Gary Parker is checking the roads out in Louisville. He continues our team coverage this morning. Gary, tell us about the conditions where you are.
Well, Monica, we've had a bit of a bizarre mix of weather this morning. We're traveling right now, taking a live look, 64 westbound. We're just passing by the center there, heading into downtown. Right now, we really don't see too much. Just a half an hour ago, we did see some snowfall in Metro Louisville, and we headed into New Albany as well, where that snow was starting to stick on the ground. And right now we're just starting to see a little bit of drizzle. There has been, you can see, we have seen a dusting on the ground in Metro Louisville. There has also been a couple of accidents on the roadways. Natalie, of course, mentioning those slippery road conditions. So it would be a good idea, of course, to drive very carefully this morning. So traffic, however, going pretty smoothly here around the downtown area. And we'll, of course, keep you updated. So the weather keeps changing every single half an hour. We have seen heavy rain. We've seen light rain. We've seen a wintry mix. We've seen some snow, but right now just a little bit of drizzle. But who knows? Maybe the next time we'll talk to you, we might see something different. But again, if this is a live look, back to you, Monica.
All right, Gary, thanks so much for that report.